Hey everyone, how's it going? So what do I got now? Well, I got a 2017 Kia Sorento. Got towed into me, and it's a 4-cylinder. I didn't look to see anything of what it was yet. I think it's a turbo. Anyway, it got towed into me. Customer said it needs an engine. Okay, or at least that's what I was told. Now, I'm going to hop in this thing, and I notice the cover that goes to the OBD connector is actually not on, so I don't know what that's all about. But let's start this thing up. See that? It's just off like that. So let's start this thing up, see what it does. Shut my light off. And there's a push start. And I got nothing. Okay, so dead battery. All right. This is actually going to give me an opportunity to use a jumper. I got a jump pack. Somebody sent me a jump pack in the mail, but there was no return address or anything else. I don't know who sent it to me. It had a name on it, a woman's name, but it's all it said. It's like the first name. I don't remember her name now. But anyway, I'll have to look. I got the paper at home, but there was like, it basically came directly from Amazon. So it wasn't from anybody that I know, but whatever. I'm gonna use that now. Let's go hook that up. So here it is. It's a 2-liter turbo. Now here's a jump starter that I had gotten. I did charge it up. You hook up one of those USB connectors to it, and you just let it sit there and charge. So I charged it up, so it's fully charged. And then you have this jumper pack end here that you basically just plug in here. It's the first time I'm ever using this, so bear with me. And obviously you can only go in one way, like such, and it should turn itself on. Yep, okay. So make sure you go correctly. We have positive over here, like that, and then negative over here, like that. Okay, so let's see if she starts. And I still got absolutely nothing. Interesting. All right. The way I'm hooked up with the jumper, it's always a possibility. I gotta hit anything? Boost, yeah. Maybe that. Oh, wait, now it's lit up. Key not detected. Ooh, did you hear the rapping noise? It says key not in vehicle. I don't know. It rapped. Oh yeah, you hear it? But here, I want to show you something. People give Kias and Hyundais a bad name. Due for oil change at 80,000. Where's the odometer here? It showed 88,000. Yeah, 88,057. So is it 8,000 miles overdue for an oil change? Maybe. I didn't check anything yet. Whoop, okay. The booster pack must have shut itself off. Those boosters will shut themselves down. And it must have shut itself off, and then the engine just died. So it may not be charging too. So we may have a multitude of problems here. But it looks like we're going to be doing a motor, because I don't know if you heard that rap, because it does rap. And now it's stone dead, so I'm sure that booster pack shut itself off. And yeah, it did. So I'm going to hit boost again, and you can hear everything come to life. Start it back up. You keep a knocking, but you can't come in. So that is definitely an issue. So looks like this thing's going to need a motor. I don't know why the electrical system keeps freaking out a little bit. It could be because the battery is either so dead. I don't think that it's not charging. I think it's charging. I think it's just the battery is so shot. Yeah, I think it's just because the battery is so shot. Alright, we're just going to shut it down. Alright, this is just another quick short video. Alright, so this one's going to need a motor. I'm not going to go any further. And then we got to diagnose some other stuff in case there's a problem there. Alright, hopefully you got something out of that video. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. Alright guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching. You know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to look up a link to that booster pack there. That seems like a pretty good little booster pack. If you're the one that sent it to me, let me know. Email me. wrenchingwithkenny@gmail.com. Alright guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.